Now, here's Chief Meteorologist Tony Petrarca with your live Pinpoint Doppler 12 Futurecast.
All right, what's good about a weathercast at 12:19 in the morning is that I have seen all of the new information. Unfortunately, nothing's really changed. A storm is on the way for Monday with accumulating snow as we take a look at live Pinpoint Doppler 12 radar. Not much going on precipitation-wise on land, but just offshore is the leading edge of the moisture now south of Block Island, south of Long Island, New York. The storm itself is still off the Carolina coastline, but the precipitation shield is well in advance, and it's working off to the north and northwest. So overspreading the area overnight into early tomorrow morning. So winter storm warning for the areas in blue: eastern Connecticut, all of Rhode Island, parts of southeastern Massachusetts. Well, how come it's not included in eastern Mass? Well, that's because it's a blizzard warning there. Bottom line, the heaviest snow, the strongest wind, eastern Massachusetts from roughly New Bedford towards Plymouth, Cape Cod, and the island. Strong winds and heavy snow. I'll show you those numbers in just a second. Cloudy, dry, 35 in Providence. That's considered warm considering the colder air that's on the way for tomorrow afternoon, tomorrow night. So this will be all snow, no rain. Most locations now are in the mid-30s. So threat tracker low for now, but Monday morning, Monday afternoon and evening, certainly in the high level here, red with the snow and wind on the way. So Monday morning, anticipating the traffic or the roads to become slippery along with some gusty wind as the snow starts to pick up in intensity. It will continue through Monday afternoon into early evening with difficult travel, certainly on roads that haven't been treated. So obviously, extra travel time is needed. There's the precipitation offshore. Very impressive storm. It is really intensifying to the point where there's actually hurricane force wind gusts near the center of the storm. Those winds will stay offshore, but you can see the counterclockwise structure of both the clouds and the radar. Anytime we see that signature, it means the storm is really intensifying rapidly. And even though the bulk of the storm or the center of the storm is going to pass well out to sea, the precipitation shield is expanding, so we still get clipped with several hours of moderate to at times heavy snow tomorrow morning and into tomorrow afternoon. Get in real close. Take a look at Futurecast, starting off overnight with the clouds rolling in, and you notice in the morning hours early on, moderate to steady heavy snow, 7 o'clock in the morning for the commute. You see your entire TV set at 11 a.m. covered in dark blue, indicating heavy snow. By evening, early evening, it's still snowing, but the intensity starts to let up. It's more of a lighter snow, but still snow right through 10, 11 o'clock tomorrow night. Final snowfall accumulations, and this won't be realized until actually tomorrow evening, 4 to 8 inches statewide. So quite simply what this means is as little as 4, which is still significant in terms of travel, to as much as 8. And then from roughly Taunton, Fall River, New Bedford, in that direction east towards Plymouth and the Cape, anywhere from 8 to 12 inches and a lot of wind in that location. So power outages are possible in Rhode Island, but I think a better chance across southeastern Massachusetts because you have the heavier snow and the stronger wind. 32 overnight with the snow arriving by daybreak. Your morning commute with snow likely, heavy at times, the wind picking up. Temperatures in the low to mid 30s, but dropping off rapidly during the afternoon. So actually the morning, the temperatures are warmer than what we'll have in the afternoon. Temperatures dropping off rapidly towards evening with difficult travel, windy conditions 25, the snow becoming lighter. And here's the hour by hour breakdown. 8 o'clock in the morning, 32, windy, slippery roads at noon, and 6 o'clock, windy, colder with the snow becoming lighter, but still with tough travel. 7-day Futurecast showing just light snow showers Tuesday and Wednesday. Both of these days, it's not a snowstorm. This, on the other hand, for tomorrow is a snowstorm. Thursday, not bad at 35. Not out of the question to see some of the coldest air of the season by Friday and the weekend. Daytime highs maybe only teens and 20s, and nighttime temperatures in the single digits. It'll be a drier snow, not quite as wet and sticky as heavy as the last time, but still isolated power outages possible.
And you can see in the bottom of your screen there, so many schools have canceled today.
Yes.
Okay. Thank you, Tony.